Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. Some of you might be considering getting one of these two models. So today let's compare the older Casio DW290 versus the younger DW291. Both are great watches, cool and reliable. In overall, the DW290 is more iconic, having been featured in the movie Mission Impossible, while the DW291 is a more recent release and easier to find. In terms of functions and menu, the DW290 is more like the G-Shock DW5600, while the DW291 is closer to the AE1200 World Time or Casio Royale. Side by side, the main similarities are the button design, water resistance of 200 meters, and tough styling. The DW290 has a hexagonal shape and features light blue markings, giving it an old-school vibe with its color selection. On the other hand, the DW291 has a square shape with a simple white, red, and black markings. In terms of size, the DW291 is wider than its older brother, and combined with the square shape, it looks even much larger. For the weight, the older model is lighter at 56 grams compared to the DW291 that's 63 grams. Both watches have a water resistance of 200 meters and feature a resin case and mineral glass, making them scratch resistant. In terms of battery life, the younger model DW291 has significantly longer battery life with a 10-year rating using CR2025, while the DW290 is only rated for 2 years with the CR2016. This could be not only due to the battery capacity, but also the fact that the DW291 uses LED backlighting, which is more efficient compared to the EL backlighting of the DW290. The DW290 lacks any world time or dual time features, while the DW291 has a world time functionality with multiple series, similar to the Casio Royale. Additionally, the DW290 only has one multifunctional alarm, while the DW291 has 5 alarms that can be set as daily or one-time alarms. For the backlight, the DW290 features a beautiful EL backlight which might drain the battery faster, while the DW291 uses LED backlight. Both have an afterglow effect, but in the DW291, the new one, you can choose the afterglow length 1.5 or 3 seconds. But on the other side, the DW290 has the flash alert for alarm, signal, and timer. In terms of button design, both watches have similarities, with the main difference being the recessed adjust button on the top left of the DW290, making it difficult to operate for resetting the stopwatch and timer. Another difference is the position of the light button. Additionally, the DW291 includes a mute or silent button, which the older brother doesn't have. The lock width or spring bar size differs slightly, with the DW290 using a rather rare 19mm, while the DW291, the new one, uses the usual 18mm. However, spare straps for both models are quite difficult to find. Comfort-wise, the old DW290 has flexible lock fitting, makes it more comfortable for small wrists compared to the DW291's fixed lock fitting. Display-wise, the DW290 has smaller digits and cleaner layout, best for simplicity, while the DW291 features larger digits and a horizontal graph that display progress, making it more visually interesting. Additionally, the DW291 also has a mini analog dial, but to me, it's just too small, making it less usable. Now about the variant choices, I can only find one model for the DW290 in the market, while the DW291 offers several color options and a longer band variant. One last thing for the price, the older model is currently listed at about $40, while the new model is about $8 cheaper. So in conclusion, if you're looking for a watch with EL backlight, flash alert, iconic looks, and are okay with a shorter battery life, go for the DW290. However, if you want world time functionality, 5 alarms, longer battery life, a larger wrist size, and are okay with the bulkiness, the DW291 is a better choice. And that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Have a great day.